So there are three main integral formulas for your inverse trig functions that you'll need to know for your AP Calc exam. So the first is the one for arcsine. So you can see there it's the integral of 1 over the square root of a squared minus u squared du. So what am I noticing here? First of all, I have a square root in the denominator. Next, I'm noticing that I have a difference of squares. I have a squared and u squared, and they're being subtracted, which makes it a difference of squares. That's going to be equal to the arcsine of u over a plus c. Note there that in order to go from a squared on the left side to a on the right side, don't forget to take the square root. That's a really common silly mistake that I see. Second, you need to know the formula for arctangent. So this is the integral of 1 over a squared plus u squared du equals 1 over a arctan of u over a plus c. Notice here that we have a sum of squares, so no square root here, and again, now my a squared and u squared are being added. Last and finally is the formula for arcsecant, which is probably the most complicated. So this is the integral of 1 over the absolute value of u times the square root of u squared minus a squared. So again, this looks very similar to our first formula, the one for arcsine, because it's actually really included there, right? We still have that 1 over the square root of u squared minus a squared. Note that those are flipped in position here, right? And then this is going to be equal to 1 over a arcsecant of the absolute value of u over a plus c. Couple things to note, these formulas are oftentimes used with u substitution, so they can look more complicated. Next, pay close attention to a and u, and remember, of course, to take the square root of a squared on the left side prior to plugging it in on the right side. And then just one quick note to pay attention to the absolute value of u when you're doing the arcsecant formula. Finally, while the other inverse trig integrals exist, the AP is going to focus on these three because all of those other three are related to these and basically are just offset by pi over 2. Long story short, don't worry about those.